Galanz GLCMKA07BER-07 0.7 Retro Cubic. Fort 700-watt countertop microwave, Bebop blue. 700W with 6 variable power level Galanz 0.7 Cu.Ft, 700 watts microwave oven with lighting pull handle. Microwave oven offers 6 power level to cook. It is easy to defrost. Defrost and LED display for all your frozen foods. Defrost by time or weight, so you can enjoy more flavorful foods. Easy to read LED display clearly shows remaining cooking time. And when the cooking procedure have finished, 3 beeps sound will be heard. The 360 degrees rotating evenly heating 360 degrees heating and rotation of glass turntable during operation helps cook food more evenly and then improves the cooking efficiency. So you will enjoy fresh and delicious food within a short time. Interior light and child lock. Interior light for checking the status without having to open the doors. The safety lock prevents unsupervised operation by children. Lock the control panel using the child safety lock option to prevent accidental user access by children. Package includes 1 countertop microwave oven, 1 glass tray, 1 roller ring, 1 shaft, 1 power cord, 1 user's manual, 1 warranty card. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.